Good evening from Hamburg in North Germany. Today we're making a video about a new lens that I got and chasing Noctilucent Clouds, and it all starts right now. Let's go. I actually think it'll look really cool with that little wave just off the top. It's like mimicking the building. Yes guys, and welcome back to Hamburg, Germany. We are down at the Hafen City. This is the waterfront of the Elbe River, and it's a beautiful location that I don't come down to too often, so I'm happy to be down here. I was invited by Oliver and Nils Steiner, two local photographers, very talented photographers, and we've got like a bit of a community going on here in this city. So every once in a while, if there's something that's happening, we text each other and try and make a trip out of it. So this evening is those Noctilucent Clouds. Not sure if I'm saying that right. I've never photographed them before. They're apparently kind of rare, and I did see a video, I want to say last summer, correct me if I'm wrong, by my Mass Peter Iverson. He was in Stockholm and just got some amazing photos of these clouds, and I was like, damn, that looks really cool. And apparently they're going to happen here tonight, so fingers crossed in this video you get to see them. But it's also about this bad boy right here. This is the new lens, so you guys probably recognize that one. What do you think it is? I'm just gonna change my position here, but you tell me, what is that lens? It's the 70-200 G Master from Sony Mark II, for those of you who didn't already know. And I got it in Cuba, of all places. It was the owner of Camera Canada who was shooting with this, and we were testing it out against my Canon EF 70-200 L Series Mark II, which is 12 years old when I bought it. So I bought it in the end of 2013, but I'm thinking it came out actually a little bit earlier than that. So I had that lens for a really, really long time, and I was using it in Cuba, and he was basically just laughing at me like, dude, what are you doing? You're shooting Sony A7R5. I had the Sigma MC11 adapter, and then this like 12-year-old Canon lens that's like a brick. Is absolutely super heavy and not as sharp as it used to be. I'm willing to admit that. I was a little upset with the results, especially with the bee hummingbirds. And when he said, man, you got to just try this one, it's tack sharp and you're going to get better results. And of course, I shot the exact same bird in the exact same day, and pixel peeping, you can really see the difference. And the Sony 70-200 Mark II is just tack sharp. I mean, it should be sold with band-aids. The thing is dangerous. It's incredible. So Anthony, who was on the trip, was like, man, you should just take it. I can get another one. And I got a pretty good deal. I'm paying him in Canadian dollars, so it's not worth that much, as you guys know, but we're just doing a direct transfer. I still hold the Canadian bank account, and I'm able to pay for it that way, which is kind of nice. But yeah, it came straight from the owner of Camera Canada's backpack into my camera bag, and now here in Hamburg with me. So happy to have this lens. It's going to be really, really useful for Croatia and the Balkans coming up next, in Montenegro, as well as the second trip to Cuba in February, and running around the city. This kind of stuff, I think it's really good for people. It's good for events. It's 2.8, so very nice to have and add to my kit, especially with the Sony A7R5. Like the two of these together, it's like beast mode. Absolutely fantastic. So yeah, happy to have it, 70-200, and now let's hope that we get some of these Noctilucent Clouds. Testing 1, 2. We have come to the other side of the Elbe, and it is getting quite late now. It's got to be getting around like midnight, 11:30ish, and still crazy blue hour. You can see the lights behind me. We've got a great view down the harbor here towards the Elbe Philharmonie, and unfortunately for us, it looks like these clouds are not showing themselves. So we struck out on this one, but as you guys know, being landscape photographers, that is actually quite often the case. So I want to show you a little bit of the real life behind the scenes in this short video here from Hamburg, where we've come out, put ourselves in the right position, hoping to get the shot, and unfortunately the clouds are not cooperating. But so be it. I got the 7200 out to give it a bit of a go here, and a few test shots, and from well, I know it's going to be great. I know the results are going to be really good. So I hope you've liked the video. Hope you liked the photos from this first outing with the new 7200, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. I think many of you know that our second baby is on the way, and probably by the time this is on YouTube, our baby will be born. So Nelly and I are very excited about that, and welcoming a new little girl into the world. So by the time you see this, that might be just the case. So be sure to head over to Instagram. I'll share the results there from that new birth. But yeah, we're very excited about it, and thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying the summer back home, and I'll see you in the next video.